Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. My name is Lainey and I am a 17-year-old high school student. I graduated in January, and today I'm just going to be showing you what I do on my day off from work. I currently work 4 days a week at a factory with some clothes and stuff. Not that that's important, and basically I take off Wednesdays as a day to get things done that I need to get done, take some time for my mental health. You know, I need to have that break because my weekends are really busy as well. So I just got back from, as you will see in the first couple clips of this video, I went to the gym this morning, and then I didn't show this in the first clips, but I went and got a couple groceries. I just had to pick up some strawberries and yogurt. And then I went and got coffee and rehearsed lines for a play that I am in that is, I believe, next weekend or in 2 weekends. So I was just going over all my lines because I have a lot of lines that I had to make sure I knew before rehearsal tonight. And then obviously had my coffee, and now I'm home. It is 8:50. I'm going to make breakfast. I'm going to try a new recipe of like little pancake strawberry chocolate filled bites. And I have a fitting for my prom outfit at 10. So I have about an hour to get this done and eat it and get all my stuff in my car and go and be there by 10. So yeah, I'm a little hectic. I was gonna film myself making this, but I think I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. I'm sorry. I will leave the Instagram, a photo of the Instagram of the person that I got the recipe from right here on the screen. And I will let you know how it is. I will just be following that recipe except for, I think she used honey or agave, and I'm using sugar-free maple syrup because that's what I have. So I'm just gonna use that, and then I'll show you when I eat it. Okay, I'm gonna do a little taste test of these little pancake bite things. Look at how cute it is. It's like a mini pancake. It's really good. I just got home from my prom fitting, and it's going to go well. Everything is going to be able to be fixed so that my outfit fits me the way that it's supposed to, so that's really exciting. I'm going to pick out an outfit now and get dressed because I have to go volunteer at a food pantry, and I'm gonna do that. But before that, I'm gonna get ready and then make food because after I volunteer there, I have to go straight to dance. So I'm gonna need to have a snack and dinner with me. So I will show you my outfit after I pick it out and put it on. Okay, here's my outfit. So I have this button-up shirt that has like this, it's black, obviously, and it has like a gray color, and it has the words like "no fear" in the design. It's from H&M. I have my rings on, and then I did some black dress pants that I have along with my boots, and then I just did this little top. And I just like the contrast of like the like dressiness of like the more casual up top, and I like that this is like big, but then these pants in the top are like a little bit tighter. But I like my pants have a little bit of a flare, just like normal dress pants, you know. And then obviously when I'm volunteering, I'll just like button this button so that my stomach isn't out, because I'll probably be around older people and obviously don't want to make anyone uncomfortable, so I'll probably wear it like this, which is fine because it's just like a boxy, like comfy shirt. Yeah, so I feel like it goes really well. And then I just have gold mini hoops, and I'm just wearing my hair down. So this is the fit. I'm gonna make a little mocktail thing. It's literally just gonna be like Sprite Zero with some cherry Mio or Mayo, whatever it's called. Just to make like a, you know those like kitty cocktails, or like, I think they're called Shirley Temples. I'm gonna make something like that. So, ice, obviously. And then this. And then I'm gonna take some of this in the black cherry flavor Okay, now we're gonna do a taste test. It literally tastes just like a Shirley Temple. This is so good. Highly recommend that you try this if you're looking for like a lower in sugar, less calorie dense alternative to that, like for the summer. Because like having the Shirley Temple, it's totally fine. Like I get those when I go out sometimes, but like if you can have a alternative like that's easy to make, this is definitely less expensive than buying a bunch of cherries and stuff. And it's not as sweet, which I like because sometimes the actual cherry juice can be a little too sweet for me, and the Sprite, and I like with the zero sugar Sprite. It's just like, I don't know, there's something about it that tastes a little bit different. Also, a little update. I know last time I talked about this, like what I'm doing like with food and stuff. If you don't like hearing about anything to do with weight, food, just skip ahead just like a minute or so. But basically, I was in a bulk for 5 months, and I'm now still at peak calories, like the same calories, because I have stopped gaining on these calories. My body's adapted to it. But I decided for summer, I just want to do a like small cut just to get down on fat just a little bit to reveal some of the muscle I gained in my bulk. So I'm literally not cutting any calories right now. I'm just adding cardio and steps. So far I've added, I already do a decent amount of cardio because I dance like 4 to 5 hours a night. Outside of that, I want to get 6,000 steps a day outside of dance. And then I started with 1 20-minute cardio session a week, and I did that for 2 weeks. Starting this week, I'm doing 2, and then in 2 more weeks, it'll be 3. And then I'll also be upping my step count the farther I get into summer because dance will be ending. So I'll eventually be at 10K steps a day, which will not be hard for me because I am just always going on walks and stuff in the summer. If you don't know, I live in Wisconsin, and when it is winter, you literally do not want to go outside because it's just cold and dark and gloomy. So in the summer, you better believe I am spending as much time outside as I can. I do not take that for granted anymore. I used to, and now I'm like, no, give me the sun. I'm going to be going on hikes. I'm going to be paddle boarding. I'm going to go on bike rides. Like anything that I can do outside, I'm going to be doing outside. So I will keep you guys updated on how that's going. Obviously, I don't need to share my weight or my calories or anything. I'm not going to do that. But if you didn't know, I do track. And it's actually really helped me realize how much I was under eating and how much more I needed to eat. It's really helped my relationship with food. But I probably will, around my birthday, I'll probably start eating intuitively for a little while. You know, just be mindful and stuff, because I'm going to be going on a trip for my birthday, and I will definitely try to vlog that for you guys. But basically, I'm probably going to try to eat intuitively around that time, and then I'm also going to Alabama at the end of August for a week, so I'll probably eat intuitively that entire trip. I'm just trying to get more used to eating intuitively because I haven't done it in a while, since I've been tracking for probably around a year. But it's just become a lot easier to be able to just eat what I want and know how it fits, making sure I'm getting enough protein, and then I can just track it loosely throughout the day, and I'm hitting my macros. So sorry, that was a little bit of a ramble. I went from talking about this drink to macros and stuff. But if you guys would like a video about me talking about that more, let me know. I just find like nutrition and health and fitness so interesting, and I've learned so much. I've been focusing on it, and it's just cool to see the progress that I've made. So yeah, I don't know what this rant was really about or what it was for, but I just wanted to get you guys up on that a little bit. And I'm going to enjoy this while I make my food for after I volunteer. And I will show you guys what I'm making. I know I'm making Weetabix for after I'm done, but I think I'm gonna make pasta. Maybe I'll make a breakfast sandwich, because that's really easy to take. So nothing too fancy. And then I think I'm just gonna have avocado toast with tempeh for lunch, because also really simple. Either that, or I might do like a burrito bowl kind of thing. Because I had one of those last night and it was so good. I used a tortilla and I just toasted it for like 10 minutes in my toaster oven. And then I broke it into like little chip kind of things and put that on top of my burrito bowl. It was so good. Very simple hack. If you want to make like your own tortilla chips, just use like a tortilla or get the chips, whatever you want. But I just didn't have any on hand, so I just made my own. Okay, that's enough rambling. I need to go now. Bye. So I just made my lunch. I'm not gonna eat it yet because I'm not super hungry and I still have a half an hour before I need to leave. So I just have it chilling here. Whoa, my cheek is really red. That's weird. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna drink some water. I just posted my Instagram reel for the day, but I just made avocado toast with buffalo tempeh, and then I made breakfast sandwich for dinner and Weetabix for my snack for after I volunteer. So if you want those 2 recipes, go to my 3 easy breakfast recipes video because I go into depth on those 2 recipes and an overnight oats recipe that are all very good. Staples in my diet for eating. Like, they're so quick to make and they taste so good every single time. That's all I really have to talk about right now. Kind of just I don't know, it's a hectic day for me, but it's also like, it's only a hectic because I only had so much time to do what I need before I have to go volunteer. So, and then I obviously have dance. So I will see you probably not until after I'm done volunteering, which will be in like 4 or 5 hours. So I'll see you then. I just got done volunteering and I'm eating now because I have a little bit of time before I need to drive to dance. So I thought I'd eat now and then I'll have 1 class and I'll have to eat my dinner. I figured I'd eat this now so I'm not like super full by the time I have to eat my dinner. I'm just having Weetabix. Volunteering was a lot of fun. I met some new people and I think it's nice like coming to do this. You know, it's only like 3 or 4 people that you're doing it with and they're nice. They're very nice people and it doesn't make my anxiety too bad. Like, I'm anxious and I don't say a lot, but when they talk to me, I feel safe and comfortable enough to answer and I don't feel like I'm being judged. So everyone was very sweet. And that's all I have for an update. Hi guys, I just got home from dance. It is currently almost 10 o'clock at night, so I'm going to end off this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun filming little clips of my day today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Also, sorry that one of my towels is just hanging out here. This isn't the cutest background, but I'm just going to put my silk hair wrap on, have a macro cap for the night because I still have calories left I need to eat, and then take off my makeup, brush my teeth, take out my earrings and my hearing aids, and go to bed. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to, please subscribe, hit that like button. It lets me know if people like this kind of content, and let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see something different. I'm open to trying new things. I just love getting the opportunity to get outside of my comfort zone and film myself, and it's just fun, like, to romanticize my life a little bit and be the main character of my own channel. Whether people see it or not, this is just a lot of fun for me. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.